Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to be teaching you how to clone this investment site, this digital thread. I got this template from Codecanyon. I got the template from Codecanyon. When I saw it and I love it, I decided that I'm going to clone it. And I decided I'm going to show you guys how to stop buying themes and templates from Codecanyon. If you want to build a site, maybe you don't have money for templates and you don't know how to go about and where to get a template or where you can clone a beautiful template for your design, then this video is for you. I saw this template and I loved it. I wanted to use it for a project, so I decided to just clone it, and I got it from Codecanyon. From Codecanyon. See how much it is. This sold at $19. But you are not going to be buying it today. We are going to be cloning it. So if this is your first time of coming to my channel, please don't hesitate to subscribe. Click on the subscription button. I have more videos for you. I have more videos that will interest you, videos that you can learn from. So please, if this is your first time, don't hesitate to click on the subscription button and support me, please, so that we can grow together. So let's dive into the main thing today. So I'm going to be copying. If you want to clone from Codecanyon, what you have to do is to get the direct link to the main demo of the site, like of the place you want to clone. So what we are going to be doing now is we are going to be checking it out. So I'm going to be copying the link for the cloning, because I will need this link up for cloning. This is all I need for cloning. So you have seen how beautiful this template is. You have seen it, and it's also responsive. You can use it to build anything website. You can use it to build anything investment website, trading website, forex website. So we are going to be using httrack. If you haven't downloaded httrack, please, there is a video on how to download and install httrack, and the video is in the description below. So I'm going to be naming this template. Digital. So we're going to be copying this link. So I'm going to be naming it. Let me check. I'm going to be naming it. So please don't forget, if you don't know how to download this, please check the link below. I dropped a video there. So I'm going to be naming it digital thread. So I'm going to be putting full website. Then I'm going to be pasting my link. Here. The link I copied. I'm only going to be downloading everything. I'm going to be downloading now is going to come directly. So the download I've started. I'm going to be cloning 2 templates from Codecanyon today. One of them is the one I want to use for the homepage of the site I'm going to build. I want to build an investment site, a trading site where you can invest and trade. So I'm going to be waiting for it to load finish. I'm going to be waiting for the machine to copy it finish for this software Codecanyon to continue the cloning. So I'm showing you how efficient this site is and how you can clone it if you want to clone it for your work. So look at the source code of this site. This is the source code of this site. Please, if this is your first time of cloning template from Codecanyon, please don't forget to check my video in the description box, where I put the link on how to install and use httrack. That is the best way of copying any site you want to copy. Like I said, I'm going to be cloning two templates. One is the dashboard I need for my work. I'm going to be using PHP to build these two sites. I'm going to be building a trading investment website for a client. So I decided to just make a video to show you how to get any type of material you want from Codecanyon without even buying it. So I'm going to be using one of the dashboard I saw here. So they have nice dashboard. I'm going to be using one of them, the one I normally use. So I'm going to be using this series. So I'm also going to be cloning it today. As I'm also cloning this is cloning. So I'll wait for it to clone finish. Then, but I'm going to be cloning this first. I'm going to be cloning this admin dashboard. I'm going to be using this dashboard for both admin and user. So if you don't know how to connect admin and user dashboard using PHP, I will also be dropping the link in the description below. Please endeavor to click on our subscription button so that you can get any first-hand message video that will drop. You'll be the first person to get it. So this is the demo of the user and the admin dashboard and the user template we're going to be using. This is Riz multipurpose 15-in-1 admin template. This is a very powerful that you can use Angular, you can use any type of backend you want to use. So I'm going to be cloning this first one, though the e-commercial one better. If you check well, you will notice that it has different varieties of dashboard. It have both the chat box, both the e-commercial dashboard. It also have a car rental dashboard, whatever you want, whatever you need it for. They have different templates. So I think you should check it out. That is this multipurpose admin template. So this is one I'm going to be using for my project because it's okay. I'm going to be changing the cards, but this is built with Bootstrap. So I'm going or HTML5. So I'm going to be using PHP for the back end, for my back end. So if you're a developer and you got a work to build a full website, you don't need to start building it from scratch. Just go and download it from Codecanyon. So I'm still waiting for my first video, for my first. You also clone. You also have to clone it this way. You also have to clone it this way when you want to clone it. The exact way I showed you on how to clone the first one. That is how you're going to be cloning it. You have to copy the link, the direct link that links to the template direct. Don't copy the Codecanyon preview link. You won't download anything. So copy the direct link. So this is the outcome of the dashboard. And inside this dashboard, it has different uh, card, different model, different. Even if you don't know how to start building, it will give you the materials to start your building from. as you can see, it has avatar space, it have avatar square, avatar circle. All these things are in code. Are you getting me? When you get the source code, you can take it from the back end. So I'll be dropping a link to get the source code. If you don't want to, the browse interface is ready. I'm done with the. So you have to check this when you are done with the cloning. So this is my code. I've gotten the source code. This is all I need for my work. So what I have to start doing is start editing it, start removing the things I don't need, because you can see they are wrote on demo words. So this is exactly how it is in Codecanyon. So if you want to download any template, simple as short, all you have to do is go to Codecanyon, select the template you need, go straight to httrack and clone it the way you want it, clean and simple without spending any dime. This will save you some coin, this will save you some cents, and this will save you some money. And it can't even consume your time, because in the space of 3 minutes, 4 minutes, you are done cloning. But this is a one-page homepage. This is the one-page homepage. So I'm also going to be checking out my dashboard. I'm going to be using this dashboard and the homepage for my work. So I'm done cloning the dashboard. So what I have to do now is to check everything out. This is the code. This is everything you need to do. This is team square. All these things are in code. They are being written with JavaScript, being written with Bootstrap. So the code, I'll be dropping the source code in a link to the source code in this description below. So please don't forget to click on the subscription button, and don't forget to click on the notification icon so that you can get any first-hand videos that we're going to be dropping. So please, I'm going to be making a video. My next video will be on how this is the interface. If you want to make a dashboard for trading, this is everything you need. This is the best dashboard you need. So thank you very much. I will be dropping the link on how I will be linking both the homepage and the dashboard. So please don't forget to click on the subscription button. Thank you.